Here's one for the Oldsmobile fans. Nice looking drop top. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Era correct 330 V8 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille. Chrome bumper headlight surrounds. How nice that hood and fender line up. Same on the passenger side. Paint shows well. This is actually Ocean Mist. K paint code. White or ivory interior. 957. Trim code on it. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can check out the engine bay, undersides, interior, be able to see that cowl tag or data tag, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below the video here in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Power top, white vinyl, also in nice shape. I'll put it up at the end, then we'll do a little video on it so you can see the condition of it. It does have the white vinyl parade boot or convertible cover boot. And as you can see, interior also shows well. We'll start it up and also let you hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the rear chrome. A little bit of pitting kind of back in this filler panel. I'd almost call this kind of a survivor car, I guess, if you will. Very similar to the way it would have came from Oldsmobile, 1965 era. Appears it has had a repaint, FYI, but back to very close to the similar color, if not the exact color. All right, take a look at the interior from the driver's side here. I don't really notice any rips, tears, or holes in the vinyl. You do have a few spots starting to, show its age a little bit, but not bad. Would be original interior. Door panels. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Hopefully get the right key here. Fires right up. Power top switches over here, and the power top does function as you'd expect. Hey, take a look at this down here. In that center console, we have the tachometer. I did have the wipers sweep also, so wipers do sweep. What else do we have? Oh, blower fan. Blower fan blows. See if we get anything coming out of the radio here. We're going to give that just a little bit to warm up, but I have not gotten any sound out of the radio yet. We'll get that a little bit. Rest of the dash. Has a newer dual exhaust too, by the way. You'll see that the underside picks, door closes nicely. Nice sounding 338 or 330, excuse me. Slip up to the front. Let me pop the hood. And we'll check out the engine bay. I'm going to double check that radio too for you. And we're back. FYI, I was not able to get sound out of the radio. Here's the engine compartment. Power steering. Power brakes. Appears we have a newer master cylinder and a booster back there. Looks like a little newer alternator. Nice sounding V8. Alright, one last thing. I'm going to shut it down. I'll put that top up. We'll take a little peek at the condition of that and then wrap this video up.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's a look with the top up. Fits nicely above the windshield. White vinyl. Can't say that I've noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Not much in the line of discoloration either. Rear window nice and clear, able to see through it well. It's going to keep you dry or out of the sun, whatever the case may be while you put it up. So there you go. I'd say it's in nice shape, as well as the rest of the car. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. Just click on that link down below the video here if you're seeing it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it.